The hormonal balance of a woman defines how she looks, how she feels, and how she ages. For this reason, in order to reverse aging and look younger naturally, we must understand how to balance our hormones naturally. In this video, I will talk about the role of the hormonal system in a woman's life and consider 6 basic principles for restoring hormonal balance to reverse aging and look younger than your age naturally. These principles are part of what I teach in my signature program, the Rejuvenation Code, which I hope you will join. But whether you join me or not, I want to help you to change your life for the better. My name is Tanzila. I'm a clinical nutritionist. In my work for the last 10 years, I've helped women look younger, live longer, and eat for beauty. And I've created my signature rejuvenation program, the Rejuvenation Code, to look younger, live longer, and eat for beauty, to help you do the same. If you're interested in learning more, click the link below this video to apply. Otherwise, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post more videos on how to reverse aging and look younger than your age naturally. What I'm going to share with you in this video is the main key to looking and feeling younger naturally with no need for Botox, fillers, or any other invasive treatments. If you understand these principles and apply them in your life, you will not have to depend on anyone and you will be able to take the full responsibility for your health and longevity in your own hands. This formula has been efficiently tested by me in my own experience and showed outstanding results in the lives of the women with whom I have been working. I'm sure that applied knowledge of these principles will help you to truly enjoy life, your family, help you in your career, in your communication with people around you, and in achieving new goals no matter your age. So let's discuss why hormonal balance is the key to reverse aging and looking younger. Everything that you will learn in this video and in my other videos on this channel will help you begin to feel better and better. Small gradual changes in your life will make you stronger and healthier with each step. So why is it important to pay attention to hormonal balance in order to reverse aging and look younger? I don't know how it was in your school, but in my school, no one told me that the hormonal balance of a woman is what defines her whole life. The hormonal balance of a woman determines the height, weight, structure of the skeleton, skin, hair color, and so forth. I went through many years of education, including clinical nutrition in one of the most recognized universities in human nutrition in the world, and neither of those educational programs mentioned that a woman's hormonal balance defines how she looks, how she feels, and how she ages. The condition of all organs that gives us life depends on hormones. Hormonal balance affects our mood and our personality. According to statistics, many divorces occur precisely at the time of the imbalance of the hormonal system of a woman. The hormones also have an impact on our appetite and digestion. They influence our reaction to stressful situations, blood sugar levels, and reproductive ability. All the basic functions of our body depend on our hormonal balance. The physiological effect of hormones is aimed at first, ensuring the regulation of biological processes, second, maintaining the integrity and constancy of the internal environment, harmonious interaction between the cellular components of the body, and third, the regulation of growth, maturation, and reproduction. Hormones regulate the activity of all cells in the body. They affect the sharpness of your thoughts and physical mobility, body build and growth, determine hair growth, tone of voice, sexual desire, and behavior. Thanks to the hormonal system, a person can adapt to strong temperature fluctuation, excess or lack of food, to physical and emotional stress. Excessive or insufficient production of hormones is the cause of various diseases accompanied by profound chemical changes in the body. And I will not go into details of the structure of the hormonal system in this video and the interrelation of our organs with certain hormonal glands. I just want to underline that our ability to survive depends on a well-balanced and healthy hormonal system. Endocrinology deals with the role of hormones in the vital activity of the body and the normal and pathological physiology of the endocrine glands. As a medical discipline, it appeared only in the 20th century, but endocrinological observations have been known since antiquity. Hippocrates believed that human health and temperament depend on specific humoral substances. Our hormonal system for thousands of years was known to a traditional yoga system. People have long known about the main points in the body coinciding in location with the endocrine glands. The throat chakra corresponds to the thyroid, the heart to the thymus, which is responsible for our immune system. The solar plexus chakra is our pancreas, and so on. Thousands of years ago, yogis knew about the balance between our chakras and the main organs that produce hormones for our body. The direct connection between the mind and the gut was noticed thousands of years ago. All hormones are related to our digestion. For this reason, we turn to food endocrinology, which studies the relationship between specific nutrients that enter our body and the production of hormones. And I will remind you here that metabolism is the transformation of a nutrient into an electrode or energy, and the construction of a new material for the cell of the body. So based on this information, how do we restore hormonal balance? The very first step is to pay attention to the digestive system and the foods we eat. Intestinal permeability, also known as a leaky gut, is a problem of 95% of our population. Since childhood, we have been destroying the thin tissues of our intestines and holes appear in them. As a result, the food we consume is not properly digested and does not reach our cells. To restore the digestive system in the first place, we need to heal our digestive system and rebuild microflora. And an example of the foods that I recommend you to include in your diet on a daily basis, I have already discussed in one of my previous videos. I gave an example of the best diet for a woman, as well as the list of the best anti-aging foods to include in your diet and the worst foods to avoid, in order to not only prevent aging but also restore your optimal levels of beauty and health. If you haven't watched these videos yet, be sure to check them out. Links for these videos you will find in the description of this video. The second step is to pay attention to the balance of sugar in the blood. When our sugar levels go up, the pancreas produces insulin. Over time, this function begins to fail, because if we constantly eat bread and fruits, the blood sugar rises and insulin should be released to lower it. If insulin is constantly working to lower blood sugar, the hormonal balance is disturbed. The third step, after we have gained control over our digestive system and the balance of sugar in the blood, we must pay attention to our adrenaline system. We aim to restore our energy, strength, and desire to live, enjoy life, and achieve new successes. The recovery of adrenaline system is especially important for women. Dark circles under the eyes and constant fatigue, especially in the mornings, can be indicators of the fact that your adrenaline system suffers. The fourth step is the health of the thyroid gland. If you don't pay attention to your thyroid, there may be pathological processes and conditions that are difficult to manage. But then again, you cannot help your thyroid if you haven't taken care of the first three principles of restoring the hormonal system that we have just discussed. The next step is the restoration of the immune system, and only at the very end we deal with our organs, be it our breast, reproductive organs, heart, or lungs. So this is the formula for restoring not only optimal health and reverse aging, but also our natural beauty and energy. Because when restoring our health in this way, the restoration of our natural beauty and our energy levels are simply a side effect. Once again, the sequence of the restoration of the hormonal system is very important. In the world today, we are accustomed to the idea of a magic pill, which in a second will cure any organ, be it a thyroid gland, a cyst on the ovaries, or fibroids. Unfortunately, this opinion is wrong. Usually time is wasted and even degeneration occurs. Instead of healing, a person receives additional diseases from the use of certain pills. Okay, that was just the big picture in today's video. I still have a lot of interesting material to share with you in my next videos. So remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post more videos on how to reverse aging and look younger than your age naturally. Now let's summarize what we have just learned. First of all, we underline that reversing aging and looking younger naturally depends on our hormonal balance. Our hormones determine our height, weight, skeleton structure, skin and hair color. They affect mental clarity, reaction to stressful situations, blood sugar, physical mobility, hair growth, tone of voice, sexual desire, and reproductive ability. In addition, excessive or insufficient production of hormones is the cause of various diseases accompanied by profound chemical changes in the body. By restoring the balance of our hormonal system, we restore not only our health and reverse aging, but also our natural beauty and energy. Furthermore, we also learned about the 6 basic principles for the restoring of a woman's hormonal balance and its sequence. We underlined that without putting the digestive system and blood sugar in order, we cannot talk about restoring the work of our adrenaline system, our thyroid, our immune system, the reproductive system, or our organs in general. This is the only system that actually gives the results. And that is exactly what I will continue to teach you in my next videos on this channel and in my signature coaching program, the Rejuvenation Code. If you like this video, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video. And if you know someone, a friend, mother or sister who is struggling with the condition of their skin or health, and you know that they would benefit from this video, please share it with them. I would love to be a help or inspiration to restore their health and beauty naturally. See you in my next video. Bye.